Hey there, it's Phoebe with Jacuzzi Hot Tubs of the Triangle, and I am cleaning a hot tub today. Wanted to take a quick second and answer one of our most frequent questions, and that is, how do I get rid of that scum line? Scum lines form from body oils, lotions, just anything that's in a hot tub as a result of us using the spa. Sometimes we might call that dissolved solids. But really it's just an organic buildup. Tend to recommend before you work on cleaning your water line, remove all your pillows if you can, because back in those areas behind the pillows, we get a lot of organic buildup that sometimes we forget to clean. So that's going to be really helpful if you can get those pillows off before cleaning your water line. Today, I'm going to show you, best friend is baking soda. We typically would steer clear of using any household cleaning agents, anything that would strip the natural luster of the hot tub's shell. Baking soda is a great way to clean it without any damage. You really just want to use a very soft sponge and just do a quick touch up on all those nooks and crannies. It's going to very quickly work through any built up body oils and lotions and bring it back to its natural clean state. You can just rinse that with a little bit of water and you can see it's perfectly clean and ready to go now. I'd also suggest, if you have time, clean around your diverter valves, your cup holders. Those are areas that can easily hold a little bit of buildup, and again, baking soda is a great way to get those nice and clean. So when you refill, you're getting a nice, clean, fresh fill with no organic residue. Hope that helped. If you have questions about draining and refilling, cleaning, balancing, feel free to give me a call or email me anytime.